Okay, so this is a video to show you how to use the new booking system on Frog. It's very simple. You'll see that I'm on the home page of Frog at the moment. So if you scroll down to all your quick links at the bottom and click on Booking Calendar. First thing I'm just going to very quickly go over is that not everything is on the booking calendar. We've got the conference suite, gym induction, LRC and 3 minibuses. Other resources are not within Frog at the moment. They can be, but that needs to be discussed with the people who are in charge of those. So before I move on, I'm just going to talk about some sort of visual stuff. Firstly, on the right hand side you've got a sort of a list of views. So at the moment we're in week view, so we can see obviously each day of the week and any bookings by the time as we go down. We can look at a month view, so obviously the entire month's calendar, a list view, so again just anything that's booked in for that month, or a day view. So obviously it's up to each individual user how they want to view the booking calendar. Next thing I want to talk about is the colours used for each booking item. At the moment they're all sort of generic colours, but you can change those so that they all come up in individual colours. Personally I've done that because I just think it's easier to identify what different booking items have been booked, but again it's down to the individual user, so I'll just very quickly show you how that can be done. So if you look at the conference suite, we've got a little arrow there, so if you click on that it gives you a set of options. So I'm going to go to set colour and I'm going to make that purple. So that will change now any bookings made as a conference suite into purple bookings. I'm going to change the gym induction. I'm going to leave the LRC blue. I'm going to leave minibus 1 green, minibus 2. Let's make that yellow. And minibus 3 can be orange. Okay, so now if we look at month view and we look at June, when we've got quite a few bookings in, I can see a lot more clearly visually what is booked by the matching of the colours. So for me that's what I do, but like I said, it's down to each individual user how they want to do that. Okay, so now in terms of actually making a booking for something, imagine I wanted to book the conference suite for the 3rd. I can see straight away that it's free. It's also free on the 2nd after 1 o'clock. So I'm going to book it for both days. So I'm going to click on the little arrow again where it says conference suite and I'm going to create a booking for this item. So the first thing I can see is that I've got an option at the top where it says new booking and I can edit that. So that needs to be the name of your event. So I'm going to pretend that we've got some training for the media department. Location obviously doesn't need to be filled in if you are booking a room such as the conference suite or the LRC or a gym induction, but obviously if you're booking the minibuses it's useful to know whereabouts you might be going. Then I'm going to choose my date, so the 2nd of June, and I'm going to do it from 1:30 until 3:30. Okay. No recurrence, I'm quite happy with it just being 1 day for now. And then I'm going to put a note, and in the note I'm not going to put any details other than my initials, so that anybody who looks on the booking calendar can see not only that it's been booked, but it's been booked by me. So create booking, and we'll see it's popped up there. So if I click on it now, I can just see the details of that booking. I can also see the delete and the save changes, but that's only because it's my booking. If I click on another booking, such as this one here, which is for minibus 3, I can see that I cannot change anything. All I can see is the details of what's going on. So imagine now I did want to do a recurring booking. I need to book the minibus for a week-long trip in July. So I'm going to check first, is the minibus booked in July? No. I'm going to go for minibus 1. Create booking for this item. So Media Studies trip. We are going to Harry Potter World for a week. So it's going to start on the 7th of July. It's going to be all day, and I'm going to click OK. So now I want to add a repeat because I want that to come up for that entire week. So if I go to add repeat every day and click OK, end repeat, and I can actually choose a date when that will end. So if we go on Monday, we'll come back on a Friday, click OK, and then here again put my initials, and possibly there I could also put which year group it is. Year 11, names to follow on frog notice board. Create. And as you can see, that's all come up for every single day. I haven't had to repeatedly put things in. It tells anybody looking what the trip is. If they click on it, they can find out the details, where it is, and a short note there about it. In terms of editing bookings, as I said, I can click on something that I've created and edit it. I can choose to delete it. Maybe, for example, my trip to Harry Potter World is cancelled, so I can choose to delete that. So I'm going to delete all because it's a recurring booking, so I want to delete all 5 of those. And they will just disappear, but I cannot delete or edit anybody else's. So if I want to delete this governor's meeting in the conference suite, as you can see, I can't do that. And that is as simple as that.